Hey everyone, welcome back. So in the last video on AI powered RFP Copilot that I published 1 or 2 days back, few of you commented for two things. Number one, the ability to download the AI generated RFP response, and the other one was a chat to freely interact with the Deal Intel Copilot. So I decided to do this quick follow-up, and guess what? I added both of these features using just 3 prompts under 5 minutes. Yes, you have heard it right. So if you haven't seen the original video yet, I highly recommend watching that first. It covers the full app overview and how the AI workflow automation works end to end. Once you have seen that, this video will show you how easy it is to scale when you build the AI workflows the right way. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's now understand how I have added these two features using 3 simple prompts. We'll start off with this free text chat with the Deal Intel AI. We all know that this Deal Intel AI, the brain behind this is this Deal Intelligence AI agent workflow, and this one, the one that I'm highlighting, this is the main agent orchestrator. In the previous video, we have gone through each and every node, so I'm not going to go through that in details. So the section I have highlighted, this prompt was already there as part of the agent earlier. Now, what we are going to do is, let's go back. So for this free chat section, I would have to provide additional instruction to the AI agent, right? So what I have provided is, if the user types a custom question not matching the above 3, analyze the query and return a meaningful response using the same structure format, that is type, title and items. Set type as a short category label like custom insights or something inferred from the intent, and that could be, for example, security, timeline, compliance. And response style should be, for that, use clear and plain language, return up to 5 concise bullets under items, and do not use markdown or long paragraph. And your job is to extract actionable insights from the RFP and the company documents to help users quickly evaluate and respond. Use plain language, no markdown, no paragraphs, maximum 5 items per list. So that's pretty much it. This is our first prompt to the AI orchestrator. And yeah, so now let's quickly navigate to the front end. So now let's look at the second prompt that I provided to Lovable Dev for the front end. So this is a detailed prompt, so let me walk you through what to add. A free text input box below the 3 predefined options, that is summarize the RFP, what should I ask the client, any risk or red flag. Label this section as ask another question. Placeholder text, type your question about the RFP. Add a send button next to it or below. So that's the top part as to how in that chat section it should look. Now next is what happens. So essentially I'm referring to this, right? Like how it looks over here on this interface. Next is what happens when the user click on submit. The question should be passed to the existing Deal Intel Langflow API endpoint. Now below that, it's the same API endpoint that you guys have seen in the previous video. There is no change there. So it's essentially the API or that URL followed by the authorization bearer code, and it's pretty much the same. Let me take you through the note section below. So over there I have categorically mentioned that the same uploaded files, that is the RFP and the company profile, will be used. Use the same display logic as other Deal Intel outputs. If the API returns a response with type, title and items, show it in bullet formats. If not, fall back to displaying plain paragraph response. So as you see, it's a very detailed instruction. So this is to ensure that the coding assistant knows how the interface should look, what happens when the user clicks on send, like what API it should invoke, and lastly how it should render the output in that
interface. So this is our second prompt. So let's quickly close this and let me take you through the third and last prompt. Just like the previous one, this is also a detailed one. It starts off like this. We'd like to enhance the RFP Copilot experience by allowing users to export the AI generated RFP response into multiple formats like Excel, Word, PDF. Important notes: the export should work with the existing response data received from the Langflow API. No changes there. User should be able to choose their preferred format after the response is generated. A simple download as drop down or button below the RFP would be ideal. Formatting should be clean and preserve the structure of the response. And that's pretty much it. That's our third and last prompt for this demonstration.
And that's a wrap. 2 brand new features made it to the product under 5 minutes thanks to the modular AI design. If you haven't watched the original video, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll put the link of that video in the description box below. Not just that, I'll also share the link of the AI workflow automation playlist where I made a bunch of videos on this topic. Please go watch those videos. It's completely free. And start exploring and start building your own AI workflow automation. If this video helped you, do give me a thumbs up, share this video with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Also put it in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like me to make next. I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.